Submitting documents to PayPal for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Before changing your settings, use the AceRock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Resolution Center. Once logged in, locate the Help or Resolution Center option in the menu. This section is where you can find requests for additional information or document submissions. Step 3. Review document requests. In the Resolution Center, check for any notifications or requests for documents. PayPal will specify what documents are needed for your account approval. Step 4. Prepare your documents. Gather the required documents as specified by PayPal. Common documents include identification, proof of address, or business documentation. Ensure that they are clear and legible. Step 5. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts in the Resolution Center to upload your documents. Make sure to select the correct files and confirm that they meet PayPal's requirements before submitting. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that your documents have been submitted. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your account approval.